I'm going to make myself something good to eat. I'm going to start with a little bit of rice. This rice it's been in the fridge. It's in this pan. It's kind of stuck together and everything. But that's okay. I'm just going to grab what I can grab. I'm going to put the rice in the bowl. You know, one thing I've learned over time is that rice pretty much goes with anything that you want to cook, anything you want to eat. Rice is great stuff. And every time I go to the grocery store, I come home with a 20-pound bag of rice. And I put it over there in my mansion-sized pantry with all the beans and all the different legumes and things that I'm storing away. All of our canned goods, all of our other things too. Now, I'm going to put this back in the fridge. And after I put it in the fridge, I'm going to heat up some rice. So I heated up the rice for about a minute. I did put a little bit of water down in the bottom so that it would steam and loosen up the rice. So I'm just going to kind of mix that up a little bit. And right here I've got some medium cheddar cheese. This cheddar cheese is real. It's made with milk from cows, not treated with growth hormones, right? It's actual real cheese. A lot of people, when they go to the store, they get the artificial junk. I don't do that. I get the real cheese. It's good stuff. The reason I get real cheese is because I don't like artificial crap. I don't want to eat it. I want to eat real good stuff. I put a bit of that cheese on there. And I'm going to take this. I'm going to microwave it for another minute. While that's microwaving, I'm going to take a sip of my wine. Oops, never mind. All right. Let me get that out of the microwave. Oh, yeah. I love it. Smells so good. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get me some salt and pepper. I'm going to go ahead and salt and pepper this. Don't put too much. All right. I'm going to do some salt and pepper. Don't put too much. All right. Let's put that up. Now, I'm going to take some tiger sauce because this is good stuff. It's a sweet hot tiger sauce. It's made from freshly squeezed tigers. I'm going to go ahead and throw that on there. Don't put too much. Just empty the bottle. All right. You should always save these bottles. These things are reusable. You can make your own hot sauces and put them in these bottles. Set that over there. It's good stuff. I went over to the sunroom and I picked a bunch of greens. I got some greens on there. Now I'm going to grab me some olives because I love olives. Olives are great. Man, I could sit and eat this entire jar of olives. You know that, right? Olives are just wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. All right, just throw a few on there. Don't throw too many on there. All right. Just get them on there. Oh, that's good. Then I've got me some sweet pickle relish. Man, I love sweet pickle relish. Just get you a bunch and throw it on there. Don't throw too much on there. Make sure you get the juice because the juice is good stuff. Man, I love sweet pickle relish. Then I've got this signature Italian dressing. There ain't much in there, but I'm going to empty the bottle. I'm going to put it right there. Whew, look at that. That's good stuff. I love this signature Italian dressing. I probably ought to Well, I've got some boiled eggs in the fridge. I think they've been sitting in there for a while. I don't think I'm going to put them on this salad, but on my next salad, I think I will. Let me put these up. Got to put them in the refrigerator. Because gotta keep your stuff refrigerated, that's for sure. All right. Look at that. Look at that. That's a perfect salad. Now, doesn't that look good? Wonderful. It's got rice underneath. Yeah, the rice was warmed up in the microwave. Got melted cheese, salt and pepper. I got stuff from the garden. I've got olives. I've got sweet pickle relish, and I got that really good Italian dressing on it. And I've got some Chardonnay. I'm going to enjoy this. All right, I got that fireplace going. That fireplace happens to be run on propane. It's one of those ventless fireplaces. Heats this. It really does heat this house up really well. I don't run it very much, but whenever I do run it, I really enjoy it. Now, I got my salad and my Chardonnay. Oh, I'm gonna sit right here. I'm gonna turn on the TV. Got my remote. I turn that TV on. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. There we go. And guess what I'm gonna do? Come on. TV's a little slow tonight. Guess what I'm going to do? I am going to find my YouTube channel. Or I may actually find my horoscope and just sit and watch my horoscope. Now I'm going to enjoy this right here. One thing I do like to do is I like to watch those videos where people they make things cool. You know, it's like they make Spanish guitar. Anyway, they do things like they go out and they in the woods and they just use like basic tools and they make things like they may take an axe or a machete or a what do you call it? Hi. Stop it. Or a shovel or something like that, and they dig holes, they gather up rocks and wood pieces and things like that, and they make cool things like structures, like something to camp out in and live in and enjoy. I love watching those videos, and it's really making me want to go out way back there on the back side of the back 40 and just pick a spot, right, and build something cool. Really. So I might watch some videos about that. Well, I sip on my Chardonnay and eat my salad. What I need to do is whatever I build back there, I need to build myself a really nice wood-burning fireplace. Or get myself an old wood-burning stove and put in there, one or the other. But for now, I'm going to enjoy my salad, sitting here next to my fireplace. It's really nice and toasty warm. I'm going to enjoy my Chardonnay, and I'm going to watch some cool videos. I'll probably watch my own videos.